Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech. We're back again for another video, this time for another unboxing. Something a bit different on the channel, and I've been planning on doing this, but we're gonna be unboxing a tablet. And not just any tablet, this is the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus 5G. And yeah, I wasn't even expecting to unbox this one. It came, I saw that the seal was still there, and I thought, you know what, yeah, I've got to unbox this, and this might just the beginning of bringing back tablets onto the channel. So let's not waste much time. Let's unbox this Tab S7 Plus 5G. Now, yeah, this is the Tab S7 Plus 5G, and this was actually based off a recommendation. This is my older brother's tablet, so I recommended him to get this because I actually think the Tab S7 Plus 5G is actually on point. And he bought it and I thought, yo, the seal's still there, so we're gonna crack this open. I wanna have a look at this. So obviously we've got the unboxing knife. The seals are still on there, so this is fresh in a box. And you got a 5G one with the SIM, so we're not gonna waste much time. It's kind of like a perfect sign because you know what? I've not done tablet content. I think the last tablet I did on the channel was way back when I started. That was a Tab S3 Plus, I think. Imagine. Whoop. All right, let's get this. Let's get this. We've got the seal right there. Hey, it's ridiculously thin, you know. And what do we have in here? So we've got the S Pen. This is still one of many devices that Samsung actually gives you a charger in the box. You've got the adaptive fast charger, and I think this is the 25-watt charger, I believe. I'm gonna put this to the side. What else we got? We've got the SIM ejection tool because this is the 5G model, so it does have cellular connectivity. And then you've got the USB-C to USB-A cable. Okay, so this might be the 15-watt charger then, because yeah, this is the 15-watt charger. For the fact that it comes with the USB-A port to C, if it was C to C, then it would be the 25-watt charger. Right, okay, that I didn't realize. Again, I've not really looked at the specifications of the Tab S7 Plus in terms of what it supports, but I'm sure it does support 25-watt charging, but you might have to buy that separately. Right, let's put this to the side for now. And this is, yo, this is slim. This is slim, you know. Hold on. Let me not ruin it. That's why I like doing these raw, unscripted unboxings. I'm gonna take care of it so that the packaging don't get ruined. Cool. Yeesh, okay. Rah. This is hella thin. When I say hella thin, this is hella thin. Let me put the box and these on the side. Let's focus on the main star of attraction. Let's give it a little bit of top-down product shots. Yeah. This is thin. I didn't even realize it was this thin, but it feels solid because of the materials. Like you can really tell they're using some really strong, well-finished materials. So I believe the S Pen goes at the back here. I know Cam's gonna be proud of me. Go check out Cam's channel. He's the tech YouTube pharmacist, as I like to call him, because he likes to just talk about tablets. So he prescribes tablets. He doesn't even review it, he prescribes them. So I dubbed in that name. So yeah, we've got the USB-C, we've got the the quad speakers, I believe. Yes, quad speakers. They're tuned by AKG. So you've got the tuning by AKG. You've got a selfie camera here as well. Yeah, I believe this is powered by the Snapdragon 865 Plus. This laptop is, I'm thinking laptop, this tablet is fresh. So let's just boot it up. Tab S7 Plus 5G. So it looks like it's working showing it in the vertical orientation. So I don't know if it favors more of the vertical orientation for actually using it, but since the selfie camera is more on the horizontal, it might still favor that. But I mean, that's the flexibility. Again, it just rotated. If you've not seen my unboxings before, I don't usually set it up. I literally just give you my first impressions, my raw impressions of how the device feels. Literally try and go into the startup menu to see how it feels. And if I remember off right, this is using a quad high definition plus display, and it's using that LTPO 120 Hz super AMOLED display as well. So it's that dynamic AMOLED display. And I think this is the first display of its kind on a tablet. And this is, I believe, a 12.9 inch panel, but they've really slimmed the bezel. So yeah, man, it's patterning up still. Yeah, this is looking clean. Whew, you got the cameras at the back. Yeah, this is saying a lot. All right, quick skip. I'm gonna try and set this up to get into the main menu or the home screen so I can see how it looks like. Okay, so we are on the home screen and instantly, yeah. This is just another friendly reminder of how Samsung are literally the best at displays. This screen, yeah, this screen is actually popping. So let's go into the software and see what we're looking at about this tablet. Status, software information. So this is still on Android 10, One UI 2.5. So there's definitely going to be an update available for this for sure. So if I go to software up there, I'm sure I'll probably pick it up, but I've not signed into any of my Google accounts and whatnot. Just check. Yeah, so it should be Android 11 and there should be One UI 3.1 that pops up on here, I believe. But it all depends on, yeah, there you go. That's the one. So there's several ones. So this is actually going to go through a lot of updates. You've got November 1st, 2020 security patch. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot of updates to go through on this tablet using an S Pen. Oh, S Pen feels nice on this. So device care, what we're looking at. So it's 128 gig internal, 6 gigabytes of internal RAM for the memory. And then, yeah, I believe Snapdragon 865 Plus. This is the cellular model with 5G. So there's a SIM card slot in there. And yeah, this is the Tab S7 Plus 5G. Whew. Look at that. Look at the way the S Pen just clips at the back. Whew. Yeah, this is the best screen I've seen on a tablet so far. Quad high definition, as well as 120 Hz as well. And it's an LTPO and it's on AMOLED. Let's go to display. Yeah, 120 Hz, you can see that right there, the smooth motion. And it's running at the maximum resolution all the time. Yeah, I feel this. Let's switch on dark mode. Come on, dark mode. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is literally just a straight raw unboxing of the Tab S7 Plus 5G. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start bringing tablets onto the channel and this might just be the first of it, man. So yeah, let me know what you think. Do you wanna see more tablet content on the channel? If so, hit me up in the comment section below. That is it, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.